So, tell me about this vending machine. What did it mean to you all?
It meant everything to us. We don't know where it came from. But when it was here, it became us. Looking back on it now, I guess nothing had a greater impact on us than that damn vending machine.
So, there was a fight. Were you involved in it?
Yeah, I was involved. Happens all the time with the vending machine.
And how did these fights start?
Well, there was this one time someone was in the way of the last cadmium red candy bag. You can't judge me! It was during reversal night, and this guy takes the last one. I'm on my last bit of patience because I've had to restart that project 20 times! And I needed that sweet little treat more than her! Our fight was glorious. And of course, I took the last cadmium candy bag. Taste of victory? Indescribable. The chips. You know, I haven't seen her since. I guess she was just so intimidated by me that she hasn't taken anything from the vending machine. I'm pretty scary.
I heard with the rise of the popularity of this vending machine, a cult formed. Why did you choose to be a part of it?
You wouldn't get it if you weren't there. This is our only source of cheap food. The DC closes at midnight and the village market an hour later. Every Friday, they restock the vending machine. We had to make it work.
Oh, my favorite thing is refill.
So, things got out of hand. What's happened since?
Yeah, well, things haven't really been the same for the past 2 years. I just keep seeing more and more starving students out in the hallway, and every time they ask,
Ryan, could we eat in class?
they always say, guys, we're in 218. You gotta eat out in the hallway. And all it seems to do is just remind them of what they lost, but I think it's for the better. I mean, the energy's gone up, the atmosphere's gone up. The vending machine kept us alive, but we keep each other alive.
Andrea, come on out.
I haven't seen light in so many years.
Thank you.
Stay there longer, to be honest.
You're making this up.